In this video, we will demonstrate the simple setup of a glass office chair mat by Vitrazza. We recommend 2 people carry the box to the location where your glass chair mat will be used, and having a microfiber cloth, a pair of gloves, a cutting tool, and glass cleaner. Begin by leaning the box against your desk with the taped side facing you. Carefully cut the tape to open the cardboard box. You will see your care package on the top panel, which you can set to the side for now. Remove the inner protective packaging to reveal the glass. The side facing you will be the bottom of the glass chair mat. The other side is the scratch-resistant top, indicated by a static cling label. Thoroughly clean the bottom of the glass to remove any cardboard dust. Now the glass chair mat is ready for application of the StabiliDot bumper system, which works to keep your glass chair mat firmly in place. Applying the StabiliDot bumper system is done in 3 easy steps. Select the size StabiliDot that works best for your application from the care package. Refer to the diagram and apply a StabiliDot at each corner as indicated. Then apply a small square pattern of 4 StabiliDots in the center of the glass chair mat. The care package was designed to be used as a template for the center placement. Now carefully position the glass chair mat at your desk. Remove the static cling label and give the top side a quick clean. Keep all packaging and set it aside until you are completely satisfied with your purchase. Your new glass chair mat is now ready to use. You've made a great decision. We know you're going to love the smooth, easy glide of your new Vitrazza Glass Chair Mat.